everyone, welcome to Thai Style by Nan Channel's Cooking with Nan again today, and my name is Nan. For someone's new here, haven't seen me before, and welcome to my channel too. So today we're gonna make the chicken dish today, and it's super delicious and super easy too. So we call chicken sweet sour sauce, very yummy. I'm gonna make like a Thai style. So you might have heard that before, but the recipe we're gonna make today maybe a little bit different, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. Alright, so let's get started. If you're ready, let's check with our ingredients. Alright, here we have the three pieces of the chicken breast, and then I'm gonna chop them up into small pieces. For the vegetables or the sauce, pineapple, tomatoes, white onion, 2 sweet mini pepper, garlic, 1 raw egg, palm sugar, white sugar, tamarind paste, the flour for deep fry chicken. You can use any flours that you have in your pantry, and sweet chili sauce. Also today we can use this one mixed with the sauce too. Sriracha sauce, golden mountain sauce, soy sauce, and the salt. So we're gonna cut everything up, and then we come back. So for the pineapples, I forgot to mention, we're not gonna use the core, the hard one right in the middle. This one we're not gonna use it. We're gonna throw it out. Okay, alright, we're gonna chop everything finely. So if you like something really easy, just use the blender, but I just feel like I like to use a knife because it's fun for me. And for the tomato, we're not gonna use the seeds inside. This one goes out. I'm gonna use 4. I'm gonna use 4. I like garlic. Just bang, using it. Bang. Let me find out. A small bowl. So first, earlier I told you guys that we're gonna come back after I chop it everything, and but I changed my mind. I better to show you guys that's how to chop them up like the way I do. So let's take a look closer. So like a garlic, 4 cloves, I chopped really fine. Okay, chop them finely, chop it, and the white onion. Look at that. Finely chop it. And the pineapple too. Really fine. Like it's almost kind of paste. So, and the tomatoes look like a paste now. This is what we're looking for. And the chili sweet mini pepper. If you like the spicy, you can add the fresh chili, Thai fresh chilies as well. So next step, we're gonna marinate our chicken. Put this on the side. We're gonna marinate our chicken. Here you go. So I'm gonna sprinkle with the 1 pinch sugar and 2 dash of the soy sauce. Like that. And then 1 raw egg. Raw egg here. Crack the egg. And I'm gonna use my hand. I like to use my hand to make all the sauce observed in the chicken. Okay. I want to get the sauce into the chicken. Oh, I forgot the salt too. The sauce, just sprinkle 1, 2, 3. It's just like 1 pinch of the sauce. So then we can leave this just 5 minutes. That's it, 5 minutes. And then we're gonna come back to fry our chicken. Alright, now time to fry our chicken. Turn the stove at the high heat to high heat. I'm gonna use the vegetable oil. And here is the flour I'm gonna put on the bowl. I'm not gonna mix with the chicken. Alright, let's check with our oil now, oil temperatures. Now it's done, really pretty. Now it's ready. So here the flour, our chicken right here. Just mix this up. Just shoot the chicken right there. Okay. So then the next step, we gonna mix our sauce. Now we're gonna make our sauce. Like a 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna stir fry all those vegetables until it's really cooked and it's soft. Okay, this look like everything now. The other vegetables looks really cooked and soft. Then we're gonna start adding the sauce. Start add with the sugar first. white sugar and 2 palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. I like to use both of them because I like the flavor of both of them. They have a different flavor. 1, 2, 3. Sriracha. 1, 2, 3. The same. 1 sweet chili sauce. Be the same. 3 tablespoons. Just 1 tablespoon. A little salt, just a touch. If you like spicy, you either add the fresh chilies or this one, just a chili powder, spice. Gonna low the heat to medium. You can add our chicken. Go in. Now you can turn off the heat. You're done. Okay. So you have gentle stir the salt. Mix the salt with the chicken, otherwise the chicken is gonna break apart. ต้องค่อยๆหน่อยนะคะค่อยๆทำไก่มันจะได้ไม่แตกไม่หักจะได้สวยงาม Alright, then we gonna put in the plates. นี่ค่ะน่ากินน่ากินน่ากิน Sprinkle. I like to add the green onion, you know, eat with the green onion, it tastes so good. You guys should try. Okay, now chicken sweet and sour, Thai styles. Let's try this guy. Jasmin right here. Oh, so pretty. I don't want to dig any of this. Okay. Hey guys. So good. So good. Sweet, sour at the same time. Is it perfect? Sweet and sour, same level. It's very beautiful. Beautiful looking and tasty. It's very tasty. Alright, you guys should try out. And I think everyone in your family, your kids, they will love it, this one. It's very good, it's very yummy and easy to make at home. Super easy. Okay, that's what's it today. It's very yummy and tasty. It's tasty and also super easy dish again. Alright guys, so if you like this video, don't forget leave me a like, subscribe and turn on notification to see what's coming next on my next video, and I will see you guys next time. โอเคค่ะขอบคุณมากๆนะคะทุกคนแล้วก็ลองทำทานกันดูนะคะมันเป็นอะไรที่แบบว่าอร่อยแล้วก็ง่ายมากๆเลยค่ะผู้ใหญ่ทานได้เด็กทานดีเลยค่ะนี่เด็กคงชอบมากๆเลยตัวนี้มันจะแบบว่า sweet and sour แบบเปรี้ยวหวานอะพร้อมๆกันเลยมันเป็นรสชาติเปรี้ยวหวานแบบไม่ใช่เปรี้ยวโดดไม่ใช่หวานโดดนะคะมันกลมกล่อมค่ะกลมกล่อมมากอร่อยมากค่ะ ค่ะยังไงก็ฝากกดไลค์กดติดตามกดแชร์กด Subscribe กดกระดิ่งด้วยนะคะแล้วก็เราก็จะได้เจอกันโอกาสหน้าค่ะอย่าลืมนะคะฝากด้วยนะคะสวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบายค่ะทุกคนสวัสดีค่ะบายค่ะ bye everyone thank you so much for watching